Shanghai Longguang Industrial Brush Manufacturing Co., Limited. Established in 2002. One of China's industrial brush manufacturers. Through continuous development, the company has established multiple subsidiaries and owns advanced production facilities. Since its founding, to meet domestic and overseas customers' demand for high quality and high reliability, the company has continuously introduced foreign equipment, including brush-making equipment from Muller, Germany. Today, Longguang has grown into a comprehensive industrial brush manufacturer, integrating independent R&D, production, and sales, drum brushes and strip brushes. With a rich variety of product types, roller brushes and disc brushes, steel wire brushes and nylon brushes, internal and external wind brushes, and large industrial brushes, paint brushes and various special shaped brushes. Spring brushes can also be used for conveying. A system with winding and sealing, dust removal, and deburring. All can be customized according to customer requirements. In production for different application scenarios and different customer needs, we provide not only standard products, but can also customize special sizes, special shapes, and non-standard specification, helping customers solve problems such as inadequate cleaning, uneven grinding or polishing, poor dust removal performance, and short service life. Shanghai Longguang Industrial Brush Manufacturing is willing to work with customers across various industries to jointly improve equipment efficiency, reduce operating costs, and make production more stable and efficient. On the road ahead, we serve every need with professional manufacturing and achieve every partnership with consistent quality, focused on customized industrial brushes. We look forward to working hand in hand with you to create a more efficient, more stable, and longer-lasting future.